The Engineering and Manufacturing Employer Awards 2019, sponsored by JTL.
Right, now we're looking at the Engineering and Manufacturing Employer finalist nominees, please.
The Engineering and Manufacturing Employers finalists are Bombardier, Rolls-Royce, and JLR.
Would you kindly tell us the winner, please?
Fantastic competition, but I'm delighted to announce that the Employer Award goes this year to Bombardier.
Now, Bombardier is an example of another employer that has continued to perform exceptionally well in the area of apprenticeships. As the world's leading manufacturer of both planes and trains, they offer apprentices an opportunity to develop their skills and acquire valuable experience in a fast-paced, challenging and results-driven global organisation. Combining study with on-the-job learning, they offer apprenticeships an exciting alternative to university and provide the foundation for a career in aeronautical engineering. Round of applause once again for Bombardier.